Welcome to Review Lab. The best 30 pounds weighted bars is probably one of the most versatile and effective pieces of home gym equipment you can add to your fitness arsenal, offering a unique way to challenge your muscles, improve your balance, and increase your overall strength and endurance without the need for bulky machines or multiple sets of dumbbells, making it an ideal choice for both beginners looking to start their fitness journey and seasoned athletes seeking to add an extra layer of intensity to their workouts. Number 5. VEICK Adjustable Resistance Band Set. Introducing the VEICK Resistance Bands, your ultimate portable gym solution. Designed for both men and women, these bands offer a versatile way to achieve your fitness goals. Experience customizable workouts with adjustable resistance levels up to 150 pounds. The set includes 5 color-coded bands, each offering a different level of challenge, allowing you to tailor your training precisely. Elevate your fitness routine with these multifunctional bands. They are perfect for yoga, Pilates, general exercise, and stretching, helping you build strength and improve flexibility. Transform any space into your personal gym. Use them at home or outdoors to burn fat, enhance balance, and improve mobility, making muscle building convenient and accessible. Take your workouts wherever you go. These bands are incredibly lightweight and come with a convenient carrying pouch, making them easy to store and transport. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a full-body workout. With resistance bands, handles, ankle straps, and a door anchor, you're equipped for diverse exercises. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile workout that can be done anywhere, this is it. It offers adjustable resistance up to 150 pounds and comes with handles, ankle straps, and a door anchor. This makes it a mobile gym in a bag, perfect for those who travel or have limited space. What people say. The weighted bar is well balanced and comfortable to hold during workouts. It's a great addition to my home gym, providing a good challenge for various exercises. The durable construction ensures it can withstand regular use. Number 4. Yes 4 All Vinyl Coated Cast Iron Kettlebell Set. Introducing the Yes 4 All Vinyl Coated Cast Iron Kettlebell Set. This set is perfect for a full-body workout, including push-ups, grip strength training, and various weight exercises. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, these kettlebells are built to last. The vinyl coating not only prevents corrosion and reduces noise but also makes them incredibly easy to clean and protects your floors. Experience a comfortable and secure grip with the wide, smooth handle. This design ensures a firm hold, even during high-rep exercises, eliminating the need for chalk. Our kettlebells feature a stable flat bottom, perfect for challenging exercises like renegade rows, handstands, and mounted pistol squats. This design provides the stability you need for advanced training. This set includes 5, 10, and 15 pounds kettlebells, offering a range of intensities to match your fitness goals. Build strength effectively with weights suitable for swings, deadlifts, squats, and more. These workout weights are designed for every fitness enthusiast, men and women of all ages. They provide challenging training to work out different muscle groups and body components. What we like. For those who want a classic strength training tool with modern durability, consider this option. The vinyl coating protects your floors and reduces noise, while the flat bottom is great for exercises like renegade rows. If you enjoy traditional kettlebell movements and want a long-lasting, floor-friendly option, this is a solid choice. What people say. The weighted bar is a great addition to my home gym, providing a good amount of resistance for various exercises. I appreciate the comfortable grip on the bar, which allows for a secure hold during my workouts. The 30 pounds weight is perfect for intermediate users looking to increase strength and muscle tone. Number 3. Yes 4 All Steel Mace Bell. Introducing the Yes 4 All Steel Mace Bell, your ultimate tool for comprehensive strength training. Elevate your workouts and build a stronger you. Crafted from solid steel, this mace bell is built to last through your most intense training sessions. Its robust construction ensures long-term performance and reliability. Experience superior grip and control with the diamond knurled handle. This feature provides a non-slip surface, allowing for better swing control and promoting forearm and wrist stability. Engage your entire body with its unique shape, enabling multiplanar movements. It's perfect for a wide array of exercises, from squats and lunges to swings and overhead presses. Available in a range of weights from 5 to 30 pounds, you can select the ideal resistance for your fitness level. It's suitable for everyone looking to enhance their strength and endurance. We are here to help you every step of the way. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. If you're aiming to improve grip strength, shoulder mobility, and engage in dynamic, full-body movements, this Mace bell is for you. The solid steel build ensures durability, and the knurled handle provides a secure grip for challenging swings. It's ideal for athletes or anyone looking to add a unique challenge to their training routine. What people say. The weighted bars are a great addition to my home gym. I love how versatile these bars are. I can use them for a variety of exercises, from squats to lunges to overhead presses. The grip is comfortable and secure, even when my hands are sweaty. Number 2. Ayombo Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. Achieve your fitness goals with this versatile Pilates Bar Kit. It allows you to get twice the result with half the effort, offering targeted training for a perfect figure. Easily take it anywhere for a healthy lifestyle. This equipment offers a full-body workout that can be customized to your fitness level. It works with other home gym equipment to help you achieve excellent results. Customize your workout with adjustable resistance bands. You can use them individually or combine them for up to 70 pounds of resistance, targeting your hips, arms, back, and more. Enjoy a comfortable and non-slip grip with our foam-padded bar. The secure assembly method prevents accidents, allowing you to focus on your workout without worry. This lightweight and portable kit is a great alternative to bulky traditional exercise equipment. It offers the same benefits as resistance bands and yoga sets, and can replace larger machines. Experience smooth movements with our 360 degrees rotating metal lugs that prevent tangled bands. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Easily assembled and disassembled, this bar is suitable for all ages. Its versatile design offers a wide range of exercise possibilities for the entire family. What we like. This is a fantastic option if you're seeking a comprehensive home workout solution that's easy to use and store. The adjustable resistance bands and detachable bar allow for a full-body workout targeting various muscle groups. If you want a space-saving, family-friendly fitness tool that can replace bulky gym equipment, this Pilates bar kit is a great fit. What people say. The weighted bar is well-balanced and comfortable to hold during workouts. It's a versatile piece of equipment that can be used for a variety of exercises, including squats, lunges, and overhead presses. The durable construction ensures it will last for a long time, even with frequent use. Number 1. Yes 4 All Total Body Workout Weighted Bar. Introducing the Yes 4 All Total Body Workout Weighted Bar, your ultimate fitness companion. Designed for a comprehensive strength training experience. Crafted with a solid, heavy-duty steel core, this bar ensures exceptional durability and stability. It's built to withstand rigorous workouts without bending or breaking. Experience superior comfort with its durable, high-density padded foam surface. It provides a secure, non-slip grip, even during intense, sweaty sessions. Featuring specially designed color-coded anti-roll end caps, it stays put and prevents unwanted rolling. This makes storage safe and easy identification a breeze. Achieve your fitness goals faster by burning more calories and toning muscles. It effectively strengthens your arms, legs, and core while improving balance and flexibility. This versatile bar is perfect for a wide range of activities. Use it for circuit training, kickboxing, weightlifting, yoga, Pilates, and much more. What we like. For a straightforward and effective way to tone muscles and increase balance, this weighted bar is an excellent choice. Its solid steel core and comfortable padded surface make it durable and easy to use. If you're looking for a versatile bar for yoga, Pilates, or general strength training that's easy to store and won't roll away, this is the one. What people say. The weighted bar is well balanced and comfortable to hold, making it easy to perform a variety of exercises. The durable construction ensures it can withstand regular use without showing signs of wear and tear. The 30 pounds weight is perfect for adding resistance to workouts without being too heavy or cumbersome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.